Want to build faster, stronger, and smarter? Then you need to know the power of precast concrete. In this video, we're counting down the top benefits that are transforming construction around the world. Precast means factory production. While the site is being prepared, your structural components are already being made, saving weeks, even months, on your schedule. Precast elements are made in controlled environments, no rain, dust, or site delays. That means consistent strength, smoother finish, and fewer surprises. Less site disruption, less formwork, less noise, less mess. Precast reduces on-site chaos and makes the area safer for everyone. Labor efficiency: with precast, you need fewer laborers on site and less time to manage complex pouring or curing. Durability and lifespan: precast concrete offers superior durability, weather resistance, and reduced maintenance, making it perfect for bridges, stadiums, and high-rises. Sustainability: modern precast production is eco-friendly, with reduced material waste and recyclability, a win for the planet. So if you're in construction or just fascinated by the future of building, precast is the way forward. Like this video, subscribe for more, and comment: have you worked with precast before?